Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change language Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to change language Microsoft Teams on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. To change the language in Microsoft Teams, just point the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon. And tap. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Now here it is in the Settings menu. Scroll down to find the Language menu. And tap on the Language menu. And many language options from various countries will appear. Choose one after selecting the desired language. But save and start here. Microsoft Teams will automatically restart and change the language according to what we choose. Now you can see here that it has successfully changed the language according to what I chose earlier. So that's it, tutorial how to change language Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.